Hello, Rishi and kids. How are you all? In this video of ours, we are going to learn about the weather and seasons. The weather keeps changing every day, no? Sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's very hot, sometimes it's hot and humid. So weather keeps changing. And you know why weather keeps changing? What is the reason? We are staying on planet Earth, and this Earth is rotating on its axis, and this axis is slightly tilted. The tilted axis, and the Earth is revolving around the sun. So when the tilted axis is towards the sun, the north pole, so that in northern hemisphere we have summers, and in southern hemisphere we have winters. So because of that rotation and revolution, we are having weathers and seasons. So let's see what all seasons we have in India. Weather and seasons. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air, and that is called atmosphere. The earth is having a blanket of air on it, and that air which surrounds us is called atmosphere. Sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes it becomes cold. This change in air is known as weather. Weather keeps changing from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour. Just now it's shining, the sun is shining, and it's very hot, and suddenly clouds come and it becomes raining. So weather keeps on changing and day by day and hour to hour. Now, seasons. When weather remains the same for a long period of time, it is called season. We have some months when it is very hot, we have some months when it rains heavily, and we have some months when it is cold and chilly. Then we have some months when it is spring, flowers are all around, very pleasant weather. And we have some months when it is autumn. The leaves are shedding, the yellow leaves are drying and falling off from the trees. So that is autumn. So we have different seasons in India. Spring is the time when children play, flowers bloom, and all is gay. Summer is hot to stay cool. Everyone wants a dip in the pool. Monsoon clouds filled with rain make you feel cool again. Autumn is short and the leaves begin to fall. Playing in the open is fun for all. Winter is cold. On sunny days, people bask in the sun rays. Season. April and May are even the June are the hot months of the year. This period is called summer season. The sun is at its hottest and brightest during this time. People like to stay indoor. They use fan, they use coolers, they use ACs, air conditioners, and people like to have cold water, cold drinks, ice creams. You want to have ice cream all the day during summer season, no? And you don't want to eat heavy foods, fried foods. Then rainy season. After the hot summer comes the rainy season. It is also called monsoon season. Rainy season is also called monsoon season. The rain comes in June, July, and August. Cool winds from the sea, the rain clouds. We use raincoats, umbrellas, we wear gumboots to protect ourselves from rain. The rain fills the dried ponds, wells, lakes, and rivers. All will get filled with water when the rain comes. It brings water for crops. The trees and plants look green everywhere, and the weather, the surroundings look so beautiful. In autumn season, autumn is September and October. They are the autumn months. Autumn season is followed by rains. This is a short season. It is neither too hot or not too cold. In many places, the leaves of the trees turn yellow and they dry up and fall during autumn. Winter. November, December, and January are the winter months. The air becomes cold and the sun is not very bright. People wear woolen clothes. They feel cold. They light fires and heaters to keep them warm. During winter, it snows in the mountains in North India. Lakes and ponds freeze. People enjoy being out in the sun during winter. It is not as spring season. February and March are the spring months. During the spring season, it is neither hot nor cold. The days are very pleasant. Trees and plants are full of fresh leaves and colorful flowers in spring. People enjoy going for picnics in spring. Changing seasons. Summer, winter, and the rain makes a yearly seasonal change. Some months are hot, some are cold, and some months are neither hot nor cold. It's cold in the mountains and warm in the plains. And when it monsoons, there is rain all around. There is rain and rain. So, these are the changing seasons. They keep changing. Winter, the season that follows fall. What is fall? Autumn season. Why it is called fall? Because the leaves fall from the tree. That's why this is also called fall. The autumn season is also called fall and has the fewest hours of daylight. The sunlight is only for few hours of the day. Air is cold. We feel very cold and snow falls in winter. Winter, a snowman and see the snow all around after snowfall. What clothes do we wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes keep us warm. So we wear pants and we wear trousers, warm trousers. We wear sweaters. We wear jackets. We wear woolen caps, woolen hats to keep us warm because in winter it's very cold, so we have to keep our body warm, and that's why we keep shivering like this. And people, they light fire to keep them warm. Spring, all flowers, flowers, flowers all around. You can see beautiful flowers all around you, yellow, pink, orange, red, all colored flowers you can see. Air gets warmer, more rain falls in spring, and flowers bloom or grow. There are more hours of daylight. If you compare with the winter, now the hours of daylight increases during spring because spring is for. Now see the pictures of spring. The many flowers, they start to bloom. Then the baby animals are born. It is a breeding time for many birds. And then you can see rainbow as well. Can you see this rainbow? Yes. Then what are the clothes which we wear in spring? We wear rain boots so our feet don't get wet when we walk outside in the puddles, water puddles. Then jackets because coats are too hot, so we wear light jacket because spring is neither very cold nor very hot. So spring clothes are, the weather is getting warmer, so we don't need to wear heavy clothing. So we wear light, but light jackets are required, and we wear jeans not the snow pants or the woolen trousers, because we don't require them now. It's not that cold in spring. Summer. Summer is the season that follows spring. It has the most hours of daylight of any season, and it in many places the air gets hot, very hot. It becomes difficult to go out. The sunlight is scorching, so we want to sit in the room in the comfort of our air conditioners, coolers, and fans, and we want to have ice cream. We want to have cold drinks in summer. So, and we want to go for swim. We want to eat the things which keep us cool, like cucumber, like watermelon, muskmelon, ice creams. Now, what are the clothes we wear? We usually wear sandals because shoes are too hot for our feet in summers. And we wear t-shirts, we wear shorts, we wear very light cotton clothing because the air is warm and we feel warm, we feel the heat if we are wearing heavy clothes. So we wear light colored cotton clothes. We are comfortable in light colored cotton clothes in summers. Fall or autumn. Fall is after summer. There are fewer hours of daylight. The air starts to get cool. Leaves change color and drop to the ground. That's why it is called fall. Now see the pictures. We usually see pumpkins and in this time of the year. Then we see the falling leaves with all around the roads. And what are the clothes we wear? We wear, it starts getting cold, slightly cold. So we start getting, need our jackets again, once again. And then we wear shoes. Then we start wearing hats and caps. And then we start wearing trousers because it is becoming slightly cold now. And this will be followed by the winter. Which season is this? Yes, yes, yes. Monsoon, rainy season. You can see clouds all around and the rainfall is there. So it is monsoon, the rainy season. Yes. What do we use in monsoons? We use umbrella and there is water logging on roads. We use umbrella in monsoons. We use umbrella. In monsoons, there is lightning also. Sometimes there is lightning and there is thunder. So that also happens in monsoon. So see the lightning, thunder. Raincoat. We wear raincoat in monsoon season to protect us from getting wet. Now this is which season? This is winter. They all have on woolen clothes, sweaters, and their caps, cute little caps. So it is winter. Now what is this? This is frozen lake, frozen river. Because of the winter, the water of the river freezes and you can see the frozen surface. This is the frozen river. Winters. So it is winter. What is this? This is winter again, snowfall. And because of the snowfall, all trees are looking white. The road is looking completely white because of the soft, soft snow all around. I want to play with the snow. It's very cold. So the people light fire to warm themselves. So they light fire. In winters, people light fire to warm themselves. The season now, this is autumn. The leaves are falling. When leaves fall, that season is called autumn. Leaves get, this is what? This is spring, flowers. And in this spring season, we celebrate Basant Panchami. So this is Basant Panchami. On Basant Panchami, we seek blessings of Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. So Basant Panchami falls in spring. Tell me, which festival is this? This is Holi, the festival of colors. So Holi also falls in spring season. Holi falls in spring season. And then this is what? Which festival? Diwali. Diwali falls in autumn season. This is Diwali, the festival of lights. Okay, now let's do some revision. What are the new words we have learned in this video of us? Weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather keeps changing hour after hour, day after day, it can change. Temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. The temperature is high in summers. Temperature is low in winters. Conditions. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-S. Conditions. The weather conditions keep on changing day by day. Conditions. Particular. P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R. Particular. Pleasant. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T. The weather is very pleasant in spring season. There are flowers all around. It's very colorful. Revolves. R-E-V-O-L-V-E-S. The planet Earth revolves around the sun. All planets revolve around the sun. Thunder. 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 There is at times in the monsoon season, there is lightning and thunder. Monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N. Double O. In monsoon season, there is heavy rain. Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Double O, double L. We wear woolen clothes in winters. Sweaters. S-W-E-A-T-E-R-S. We wear sweaters to keep us warm during winter season. Neither. N-E-I-T-H-E-R. The weather is neither cold nor hot during spring season. Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. The leaves, dry leaves from the trees fall during autumn season. Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. The mother nature around us is beautiful. We enjoy nature. Shed. S-H-E-D. The leaves shed from the tree in autumn season. So these are the new words which we have learned in this video. Now, how can we define these terms? Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? A thick layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. All air around the earth is called atmosphere. Weather. What is weather? The day-to-day change in the condition of air. Sometimes air is hot, sometimes air is cold. So the condition of air of a place is called weather. What is season? When the weather conditions of a place remain same for a long period of time. Suppose for 2 months the air is hot, then it is summer. For 2 to 3 months the air is very cold, then it is winter season. So it is called season. Now answer the following questions. Name the 5 seasons of India. The 5 seasons of India are summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, and spring. These are the 5 seasons. Now write a short note on the 3 main seasons. Summer. It is said to be the hottest season as the sun is very hot and bright during this time. April, May, and June are the summer months. In this season, people like to stay indoors. They prefer wearing light cotton clothes as it absorbs the sweat easily. We sweat a lot now, and during summer पसीना आता है ना बहुत. So when we wear cotton clothes, the cotton clothes absorb our sweat and gives us cooling effect. Rainy season. This season is also called monsoon season. It is the wettest season of the year. Monsoon comes in the month of July, August, and September. The sky is usually cloudy. At times there is lightning and thunder. We wear raincoats, gumboots, and we use umbrella to keep ourselves dry. Winter. It is the coldest time of the year. Cold wind blows during this time. Ponds and lakes freeze. And there is a snowfall in the mountains. All over you can see smooth snow. White. The trees become white. November, December, and January are the winter months. People wear woolen clothes, use heaters, and light fire to keep themselves warm. Now, the third question is, what is the difference between spring and autumn? Spring comes after winter in the month of February and March. So, after cold months, spring comes, and spring comes in the months of February and March. In spring, weather is neither too hot nor too cold. Flowers bloom. All over you will find new leaves, the greenery, flowers, many colors all around you. And festivals, which festivals come during spring? Vasant Panchami and Holi. Vasant Panchami and Holi are celebrated in this season. Now let's see what happens in autumn. Autumn comes before winter. Spring comes after winter. Autumn comes before winter. So before winter we have autumn, which is in the months of September and October. This weather is cool but pleasant. Not very cold, but it's pleasant. Leaves become yellow and brown and they dry up and fall. Festivals like Navratri and Diwali, these two festivals are celebrated in this season. Now write any 2 ways by which you can protect nature's gift. How can we protect nature's gifts? By keeping our surroundings clean and by reducing pollution. We have to keep our surrounding clean. We have to throw the garbage in the garbage bin, dustbin, and we have to keep on cleaning our surroundings. Locality clean. We should keep our house clean and by reducing pollution. How can we reduce pollution? We should take our vehicles for regular servicing. We should go for pollution check of our vehicles, our scooters, our cars. We should go for regular pollution check, and we should not be using lot many fossil fuels because they cause pollution. Pollution, and by keeping our surroundings clean, we can protect our nature gifts. Now, give me the reason why autumn is called fall. Autumn is also called fall because leaves dry up and fall from the trees. That's why autumn is called fall. Spring is the most colorful season. Spring is the most colorful season because flowers bloom and we can see flowers of different colors all around us and new leaves grow on the trees. That's why spring is the most colorful season. We have revised it. Just see this video once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, whenever you want to have fun and learn about weather and seasons. Thank you.